Hi there, thanks for tuning into Darkness JTV. Today we bring to you another big filler in town as Beam Nation President Stonebwoy, popularly known as Livingstone, breaks on the tragedy, sad story accident he went in that took off one of his leg. He spoke about this on the United Show Peace on UTV, hosted by Amma McBrown. Watch full video ahead and don't forget to subscribe to Darkness JTV.
How did it happen?
I said, well, I will show you. They say you be a cabana American coming me did this because a post for car never cross so young car cause the accident.
Oh, okay.
Basically, me who say insurance be more dear ne buy you dear number. Me kind of say you were involved no cry yeah man post a man code in him. And at one time
Your man involved.
Nipa no one involved with the accident.
No,
it was
driver,
like it was a police or post. It was a police car. Also those times more SUV officers in the use. And no be share yeah more. As I say me can the details in Kobe. We were going home from Accra to Ashaiman. Na numpono na me ye processing ya me win visa lottery and can me to coin the next 2 months. Sadana, yeah, Banwa
on the motorway.
On the motorway, yeah, Banwa, yeah, Beshani say, Pinty, the boy, and I know free Ashama side, co. And near Lane Mukrao.
There be a motorway,
yes,
they
say.
2 lane go,
2 lane
out. 2 lane out.
We were, yeah, no, now you caught from Accra to Ashaiman, right just after the old two. Once the two normal shifting. After the old two. Nti ya pa to no ho a ana me yesa o mi sinama sonche nti me che oluma na esi nti ya sonche e betena ase a ye tu a 1 minute kwamba na dey free ashama e kon yet and say sama salt ya be boom. That was it.
And that's where you lost your brother.
That was it. Debbie, my brother, I lost him from my infancy as well. And then that was when I lost my.
So it was you, your father,
it was me,
your mother,
my father, and my sister Medina Chinto, and also guys all America, but we pray proper. So she still has like a chronic something going on. And I made Papa Bubu in a reps visa, but she was okay. And me too, I got into
that was
Obienwu, but that was it. So to Kolebu, so it was in 2003, 19th January.
Oh.
And I see sir. So I just had to work with him, man.
Wow. Wow.
From school time, also Dr.
Hi there, what's up? Welcome back, and it's still GH Tony's collection. I encourage you, if you've not yet gotten your smartphone yet, to order it here. Just grab it home, Charlie. On cut-off price, cute one there. It's really a bonus of time experiencing such new smartphones like Tecno Camon 15, Spark 5 of Tecno that is out with quality selfies and estimating better picture qualities. Here at GH Tony's collection, what happens is that when you order, we are giving you free delivery. You just check on our WhatsApp status here. You click on any brand of product you like, ranking from all brands: Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, Itel, Apple iPhone 11, 12, X Max, all at your choice. When you place the order, we will give you quality response until when your delivery will be placed, when it will be confirmed, and you are gonna get free delivery. I still encourage you there not to go anywhere for a fake phone, a phone that has no warranty based on quality. But here at Tony's collection, we the best, and we giving you quality service. God bless you wherever you are, and I'm waiting to see you order here at DJ Tony's Collection. Stay blessed, and don't forget to also stay safe, wear your nose masks, and frequent hand washing and the running water, but not running soap. All right, love you all.